If you have just found this channel, this video is for you. British Home Secrets publishes one video every week. Every video covers something specific about UK homes that the people who profit from your ignorance have no interest in explaining to you. Estate agents, landlords, energy companies, insurance assessors, damp treatment companies, mortgage brokers. All of them know things about your home, your tenancy, or your transaction that they are not required to share. We share them every week for free. Here are 5 things this channel has already found that most UK homeowners and renters do not know. Number 1. Your Victorian home has a hidden heating system that has been working since the day it was built. Inside every Victorian terrace, there is a ventilation and heat distribution system built into the structure of the walls, the floors, and the chimney stacks. It requires no electricity, no maintenance, and no fuel. It has been operating continuously for over 100 years. Most of the home improvement interventions sold to Victorian homeowners, cavity fill, cement repointing, blocked air bricks, sealed chimneys, interrupt this system without replacing it. The result is a colder, damper, more expensive house. The full explanation is in the video called The Hidden Heating System inside every Victorian home. Number 2. Your deposit protection might already entitle you to compensation. If you are a tenant and your landlord did not protect your deposit in a government-approved scheme within 30 days of receiving it, you are entitled to compensation of between 1 and 3 times the deposit amount. This right exists regardless of whether you are still in the tenancy. Millions of UK tenants are eligible and have never claimed. The full list of 30 tenant rights your letting agent will never tell you is in the video called 30 Tenant Rights. Your letting agent is hiding. Number 3. Your home insurance probably will not pay out when you need it most. 1 in 5 UK home insurance claims is partially or fully declined. The most common reason is not fraud and not small print. It is that the damage was caused by gradual deterioration rather than a sudden event. Damp, rot, subsidence, and most structural defects fall under gradual damage and are excluded from standard policies. Most homeowners discover this at the worst possible moment. The full explanation of every stage of a UK insurance claim is in the video called Which Stage is Your Claim At? Number 4. Your council tax band was probably set wrong in 1991. The band your home is in was set by an assessor who drove past your street in 1991 and made an estimate. Over 400,000 properties in England are in an incorrect band. The challenge process is free, takes less than an hour, and can result in a refund of up to 6 years of overpayments. The full step-by-step process is in the video called Your Council Tax Band is Probably Wrong. Number 5. The total cost of buying a house in the UK is between £8,000 and £25,000 more than the price on the listing. Most buyers discover these costs 1 invoice at a time, too committed to negotiate, too late to walk away. The full list of 25 hidden costs is in the video called Hidden Costs of Buying a House UK 2026. Number 6. The law that flooded 14 English villages is still active and can be used to take your home today. It is called a compulsory purchase order. It gives the government, a local authority, a water company, or a development corporation the legal power to acquire your property without your consent, at a price you do not set. The home loss payment, which can be up to £75,000 on top of the market value, is yours to claim if you are affected. Most homeowners who receive a compulsory purchase order notice never claim it because nobody tells them it exists. The objection window is typically 21 days. The full explanation is in the video called The Law That Flooded 14 Villages Can Still Take Your Home. Every one of these videos is free. Every one of them is on this channel. And every week, there is a new one. If any of those 6 things surprised you, subscribe now. Because what we have found so far is a fraction of what is still buried. Every week there is something new, and it will not be sent to you unless you subscribe. This is British Home Secrets. We find the knowledge they buried and we give it back to the people who need it.